Hi, welcome back to my channel. This box came from Costa Farm. It's a new plant for my home. Last time, my Philodendron Pink Princess from them was very green. Let's see how it looks this time with this Philodendron White Knight. So far looks like the packaging is great, not hard to take it off, and the plants may look a little tired at beginning, but I think it will recover in no time. This is my first time having a Philodendron White Knight, but if it is similar to other Philodendron, it should be easy to take care of. Really happy with this purchase. Look at the variegation. It's really beautiful. Costa Farm did well this time. Loving the variegation. Hopefully it grows fast. Maybe I'll have more cutting to share with my friend. What do you think?